Hi everybody, thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much. Hi everybody, thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for watching my video. I would ask for you to subscribe, share and like as you go along. Alright, so this pond looks messy, very green and all that. The sun is very hot, and for most of this week I'll be looking at green water and algae. Alright, so this pond is green, thick green, right? I did a water change. Yes, 250 gallons worth of water was released from this pond and it was washed, and the fish was actually placed into it, and within a week, one single week, the water started to get green. Within about water started to get green, right? Within about 8 or 10 days, I saw some eggs. I made the error taking up the plants and placing them into a pond, but I never realized that I had already placed some convict cichlid babies in it. So I know that those goldfish fries are like gone, right? One of the good thing about green water and koi and goldfish is that once the water is clean, yes, the water can be clean but green. Once the water is clean, right, koi and goldfish will lay egg and fries will come about. The last time I was cleaning this pond, I saw, I think I was 3 or 4 2-inch goldfish that was added to my stock, and this was added without my knowledge. Yes, they might lay about 500 and so eggs, but they consume most of them. But I actually got 3 goldfish, and I really feel good, right, knowing that these 3 goldfish went through all this green water, went through, you know, predation and all of that, and they survived. And yes, I took them out. I took them out and I placed them into another container, so they are okay for now. And that's the reason, one of the reasons why I placed this here. But I do not want them to really lay on this, because it's a good feeding map also, because as soon as they lay the eggs on it, the fish just comes up and they just start to eat the eggs. So therefore I prefer when they just lay in the water, lay the egg in the water, it goes on the plant, it goes on the siding, it floats on the water, so the fish have a harder time to find it, right? So again, this filtration system is similar to the Jack Dempsey filtration system. Water comes up, goes through a sponge, goes through some gravel, and then is released back. It released into the water, and the water still remains green. It's like fighting a losing battle, but you know, every day you meet upon challenges. You just have to be innovative. I had actually had the pond all the way to here, right? The pond was all the way to here, and I emptied everything and I pushed it back probably about, what would you call it, 1.5 foot, 2 foot back on the tree a little bit more, but it's actually started to get green same way. Now there was a pond here that was a convict cichlid pond. I actually moved it and I placed it on the other side of the tree, and that pond is the only pond that doesn't have any green water. I realized now that since the space have been opened up, the pond have been removed and all that, some of my mini ponds start to have green water. I guess when rain starts in a few weeks time, everything will change, and then now I'm gonna have to worry about the whole idea of my ponds flooding. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this was informative. I appreciate you watching. Peace. Catch you next time.